The best investment is not in crypto or stocks, but in zero-cost digital products that sell. Today I'll show you how AI can help us make money as easily as ABC, even for the laziest person on earth. Let's get started. Step 1. Open stock.adobe.com. Click the Sell menu, and Join Now button to create a seller account. You can use your email, Google or Facebook account to register. Step 2. Research the best-selling products. Go to stock.adobe.com/search. Click the View Panel button and check the illustration option. Choose your desired orientation and sort items by downloads. Select the type of image you want and copy the title and save it in a notepad. Also, copy all related keywords and save them for later. Step 3. Create AI art using Midjourney version 4, which supports multiple aspect ratios. Use the parameters outlined in the video description. Improve the title with keywords you think will sell. Save the best result on your computer. Step 4. Upscale your image using imgupscaler.com. Choose the 400% option. Upload your photo. Press Start and wait for the process to complete. Download the upscaled product to your computer. Step 5. Improve your title with related keywords, and ask ChatGPT to make it SEO friendly. Ask ChatGPT to separate the product keywords with commas. And create a SEO-friendly description for your title. Back to the Adobe stock website. Press the Upload button and change your file name to the SEO-friendly title to improve its metadata. Paste the title, description, and keywords. Choose illustration for the file type and check the Created using Generative AI Tools option. Click the Submit button. Allow 2 to 3 days for moderation. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next money-making video tutorial.